What if I told you you can make thousands of dollars just by promoting one service directly to your PayPal and earn financial freedom? You would think this is crazy, but no, this is actually possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Waleed Talks Finance, and I test side hustles and ways to make money online for you guys so you guys can earn financial freedom. Make sure you guys go down, smash that like button, and subscribe to it. Let's get right into it. So the website is called Veefly.com. So if you've heard about it, Veefly is a way to help YouTubers to make their videos viral. If you're a YouTuber yourself, I definitely recommend that you try out this Veefly. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can understand what it is exactly. So what it helps engagement with your YouTube videos. So if you want to reach monetization, if you want to reach subscriber goals, if you want to just increase interactions or sales throughout your video, they're going to use Google Ads to promote it. What we are interested in is we're going to promote the service. You're going to go down and you're going to go all the way down. Doesn't really matter. This is a trusted website. If you look on Veefly review, so they used their site first and liked it. They highly recommended. Amazing website. So you see over here that a lot of the good reviews, there's a lot of good reviews, but there is a few reviews that didn't work. But you see, this is a website that provides traffic to their YouTube channel, not really interested to us. When you make an ad, it really depends on the quality of the content you have, right? If I take any random video and I put a lot of money to it and I make a lot of Google ads on it, not necessarily it will do well. You have to make sure that your video is good. So that is why Veefly is a service, right? They will take the video, whatever you want, and promote it. They cannot verify if your video is going to do well. It is a trusted website with almost 4 stars. So what you're going to do is go all the way down and you're going to click on affiliates. You're going to go on the bottom and every Veefly affiliate market gets 15% of every campaign that you bring in. So if somebody puts in $1,000, you get 15% out of that. If they put in $100, you get 15%. $100, $15. $1,000, $150. So the possibilities are endless. All right, and I'm actually going to show you in my subscriber the right method to actually promote this. You can make a video about it and become a YouTuber yourself and talk about the service and put your affiliate link in the description. If not, you can post this on Pinterest, on Facebook, on Reddit. There is a lot of subreddits of people that want to become YouTubers or are big YouTubers. What you can do is go on youtube.com, how to gain views. And you're gonna go on sort by newest email. Go on each of these profiles on one particular video. Go on the about section. Sometimes they have an email. If they don't, well, it's okay. You go on to the next one. And you can also leave a comment on their video. Also promote your affiliate link there. But let's go back. What you can do is reply directly and say something like this service, Veefly. I definitely recommend leaving your link there. Leave your link there in a reply. And when you leave your message over there, other people are going to see your comment also. Other people are also going to click on your affiliate link and you're going to make money like that. So it has a snowball effect. So you can make way more money than what you initially intended to make. And what I recommend is that if you're a YouTuber yourself, that you try out these services. I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description. You don't have to sign up through there, but I definitely recommend that you do, so you get a feel if it really works before you promote anything, and you go ahead and actually try out a campaign for yourself and see how your videos, your own YouTube videos, can grow expansionally with this service. And now let's look at the inside. Go to join the affiliate program. You just register, you share, and you earn. That's it. Every campaign a YouTuber will go through your link, they'll make money. Well, this was your boy Waleed Talks Finance, and I bring out new ways for you guys to make money online. Until next time, peace.